What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to adjust your screen resolution and size on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Right click your desktop and select Display Settings. This will open up your Windows display settings. Here, under Scale and Layout, you have the option to adjust your scale, which will change the size of text, apps and other items. When selecting the Scale option, you can set up a custom scaling value. Below, you can change your text size if you prefer to leave the scale at 100% and only increase the text size. Under Advanced Display, you can also change your refresh rate. If your refresh rate is not displayed here, then make sure that you're using the correct cable to connect to your PC. Navigate back to your display settings, and here you also have the option to adjust your display resolution. In most cases, you will want to use the recommended display resolution, but in some cases it makes sense to change it. Below, you also have the option to change your display orientation. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.